Hey, to print from Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open Settings. Now go into the connected devices and click on the connection preferences. Right now, select printing. Then you've got two options. You can try to connect to your printer with the default print service, which is located here. So now you will have to be connected into the Wi-Fi and into the Bluetooth. There we go. And if your printer support Wi-Fi, you have to be connected into the same Wi-Fi network, and now wait until your printer will be available here. But if it doesn't work, you can go back and add service. So now from the Google Play Store, you will have to download extension to your printer. Let's say that you are using, for example, Samsung printer. So you will have to get this plugin, click to install. Now open it, and right here you can find all of this base information, how you can print using share button. There we go. You have to accept all of this permissions. There we go. And now, as you can see, the Samsung print service is ready to printing. So that's actually how we can do this. Now we can find this Samsung print service, and now if you have the Samsung printer, probably you will be able to actually locate your printer with this plugin from the Samsung. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.